I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Search and select Bit Form as a trigger. Select a form. Next, search and select an action. Twilio. Give your account SID, auth token, and phone number. So please visit the Twilio console. Copy the account SID, auth token and Twilio phone number, and paste it here. Authorize it. Authorization is successfully done. Now click on Next. Select number. Map the messages fields. Here are advanced features in conditional logic. If you want, you can use it for your own requirement. Click on Next. Finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Submit the form. Now go to the Twilio site and refresh the page. And you can see the message was sent successfully. Thanks for watching.